we're going to see customer relationship management or CRM systems. What's a customer relationship management system? It's a system to manage all the interaction of a company with current and future customers. Sometimes that cannot be achieved because it requires the integration of many different systems, but the aim of it is managing all the information that a company has about its customers. Its main functions is to organize, automate and synchronize customer data for sales, for marketing, for customer service, for technical support, or for any other need that the company has related to customer data. It usually it can integrate, and usually the aim of it is integrating call centers, social media, and any other tool that gathers information from the customers and that needs information from the customers to work. With the wealth of information about customers that is being gathered online, it's evolving into what's called inbound marketing. That it's trying to use the data we have about the customer to offer them what they need when they need it. The advantages of a customer relationship management system well established is that you manage more efficiently the accounts and the orders. What you get makes you satisfy customers and leads to increased revenues and reduce administrative costs. It also helps to make more focused marketing and to improve sales planning, helping to automate the sales force. With data warehousing techniques, it can provide very good indicators for business intelligence, for making good decisions. What options are we going to find in the market when we want to put a CRM in place? We'll have open source alternatives. For example, Sugar is the most known one. Most of them are open source, they are free, but you usually need the help of external consultants to put them in place. So you usually will have to pay even if you are using an open source CRM. You can find also cloud services with Sugar or with another CRMs where you don't have any machine or any software installed on your premises. Everything is given you from the cloud, from internet. You also have proprietary services, usually for bigger companies, for example, Salesforce or Civil. And every time more you will find what are called inbound marketing solutions like HubSpot that try to manage all the information gathered through web and internet interaction with the client.